Hey everyone, Scott from Wisconsin Landscaping. Welcome back. In today's job, we're going to tear this wall apart because it's leaning. And when we do tear it apart, we're going to find out why it's leaning. So stick around and let's fix this wall. So a wall like this, you got to tear it out piece by piece, tear the whole wall out. As you can see we're doing here. It'll take a little bit, a couple hours to tear it out. And then you're going to see why this wall failed. Underneath here is a 2x10 treated piece of lumber that they put in there for a base. I've never seen this in landscaping ever. Now we finished the wall. I know I didn't take very many videos, but we finished the wall. Now this is something pretty spectacular. This is about 30 feet away. One of my workers threw a rock and it got lodged in this crotch of this tree. How cool is that? But off topic, but thought it was pretty cool. So here's the wall. We got it all rebuilt and re-straightened. We put some edging and a 2-inch rock there, and you can see we ematted and seeded the whole area. But thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like and follow. We got plenty more of these videos coming. Look how straight that wall is now. It's not tipping anymore. Have a great night, and we'll see you later.